Now, let's talk apps. Unplugged is a young company, and the Up phone has only been in the marketplace for a few months. The Up Store does not yet include the millions of apps you'll find in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Currently, the Up Store has over 4,700 apps available for easy download, and we are adding dozens more every week. Even though we only have a small fraction of the apps found in the big tech app stores, rest assured that most of the apps that run on Android-compatible devices will also run on the Up phone. This means hundreds of thousands of apps will function on your device, but you may not yet find them in the Up Store. We strive to make it convenient for our customers to collaborate with us and contribute to build a privacy-first ecosystem for applications which serve the entire Unplugged community. What this means is that we are constantly adding and updating available apps in the Up Store based on specific customer requests. For most apps, an alternative app or a workaround exists. If you can't find one of your favorite or needed apps, you can quickly request it right through Up Store's support interface by visiting the Quick App Request area. Enter the name of the app you want added to the store. We encourage you to add a link to the app as displayed on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store to make sure we get the right one. Our customer service team will respond. With each app that we add to the store, our engineering team reviews the app and ports the latest version along with a brief description and the corresponding app icon into the store. If the app is dependent on Google mobile services or Apple's ecosystem for core functionality, it will not work on the Up phone, and it will potentially compromise privacy. In those cases, we let the user know that we cannot port the app into the Up Store. We try to suggest alternative apps or workaround options. It typically takes a couple of days to add a new app. We'll let you know through your support request and email when it is ready. So, what types of apps do we have in the Up Store now? Among the thousands of apps available, you'll find many of the most popular apps for banking, travel, social media, messaging, email, productivity, maps and navigation, games, weather, personal finance, cryptocurrency, religion, and many others. Presently, you must search for each of the apps by name, by keyword, or by tags. With each new release, we are improving the search functionality of the store. If you are struggling to find an app, or come across a missing update, problems with the description, or some other issue, please contact Unplugged through support.unplugged.com or simply support@unplugged.com. We are happy to help. We constantly improve Up Store's capabilities through over-the-air updates to all of our users. As we value the privacy of our Up phone users, we do not collect or inventory the data about which apps you have on your device. We do not build profiles of our users based on the apps you download. We don't even know what you downloaded.